Camera now?
Yeah, I caught one already.
Dude, ako lang walang malaking huli ah.
Hindi counted yung nahuli ko, bro. Kasi wala pa sa video yun eh. Ay, ang huli mo ngayon counted yan.
Nabali. Yan nabali oh. Heavy duty to eh. Heavy lang mo to eh.
Probably. Sorry bro, you're going back.
Fishing with him?
Yeah, your mama. After you already caught the mama, huh? Those are the babies. Hindi kaya nilang i-break yung ano eh, no? 20 pounds.
Pasado na yan sa line check dito din. Ay, sumama si Tito ka, di maraming huli.
Gani.
Sure, really. Nice love.
Woo! Nice quality.
Oh, that's a big one. Ano ba yun? 35, yeah.
Oh yeah!
35. Alright, here. Let's go, guys. We'll be all done. Get that.
Damn, I'm not on the bottom yet. I hit a hole. There you go, bend it.
Right, is that your week?
No, I got it.
Right, one.
Hell yeah.
Pop, can you help me put my bait on?
Oh no,
I got it.
that's 35. That one.
No, I'm gonna...
That's 35.
Yeah.
Okay. I'll go get
You
some.
said 36? 36 today. Did I say 36? Yeah. Oh.
I did 35.
Side.
There you go.
That's a problem, man. I have it. Got one. A long ways on. Look at that.
Wow! It's a nice one, Uncle.
Come on, man.
I could find a CI and come back and still remain. Yep. 30. What number is Uncle again? What do you think? 34.
I'm 35.
34 to 10.
Oh, you're 34.
This one catch it like, wow!
Whoa! That's my friend, Bob. Here you go, buddy. I was in line first. Whose fish is this? Mine. Oh, this is yours? Oh. Yeah, I always keep the first one.
33.
Ah, there we go.
The big one is 33. The fuck? Oh, nalgala. Lalaki sa iyo. Oh, ngayon, sa'yo naman. Whitey siguro yan, whitey. Tinaas ka eh. Better than the other one.
Yeah. Come on. What is it, linger?
No, it's good.
Probably a good old dingling. This is 165 pounds. 165 pounds? Yeah.
I don't know, I'm just taking my time.
Oh. They can call a trout out of like a 15 pounder on, but I wouldn't probably use more than 2 pounds on it.
And hell yeah, I like when my fishing pole is bending.
Alright.
What you got there, Ben?
Come on. Is this worth gappable?
No.
Right got 2 on them. Oh yeah, baby.
Oh!
Right here. One tonight. We'll see the guy.
Woo!
Yeah, right. Look at him. 35, right? Yep. Sure it's not 36? Nope, 35.
Yeah, you didn't want to put his fish in your bag. Pretty nice guy. Oh, I'm 33.
33, 34, 35. The 30. Oh, time out. Time out.
See, I beat your ass.
What I meant? Oh, man. Some good sinigang gap. Yeah.
Oh! That's not good! The big one. There you go. 33.
I asked you if you needed a gas.
You said no, huh?
I didn't know.
Oh my gosh.
Finally.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, finally. It's about fucking time. Hot freaking time. Sorry, kid. I don't cuss around mine, so I ain't cuss around you. Pretty funny. Nah, pretty funny. That guy right there. Broke the line. Look, it was that thing on there.
Now they can break this 50 pounds. Yeah, yeah. What is that? What is it? Dental floss?
Not enough. Yeah, you got both of those things.
33, Uncle? 33. Thank you. It's Jay's fault. He started it.
Huh?
You started it.
Who?
You.
What?
2 long curves at the same time.
Wala yan, mapapagod yan. Pag walang dulo, ay, lalagay ako.
Kaya maganda talaga may reserve eh. O ngayon.
Reserve ako eh, rat pa.
Hindi, kaya ginamit natin 20 pounds kasi parang walang kumakagat kanina, di ba?
Eh, lalaki ngayon.
Oo.
Pinatid. Oh gosh.
That's it? It's beating you, huh?
Weinberg or something. Yeah, he used to dental floss on that.
You made that thing.
What number is that one? 35. Oh, you one just got off.
Huh?
Just got off. What was this guy? Oh, oh. Got one again.
I turned this off. That will take a while. I got one.
You sure you're not using the dental floss?
No, this 50 pounds now.
How many have you got?
4.
Only 4.
33.
You got it, bro.
You sure? 33.
You got one, Charlie? Yeah. Cool. This is mine.
Yeah, I haven't caught any sheephead yet. Nice!
Nice!
Ooh. How did I miss that?
Yeah.
I know.
Oh, mine line's not.
What kind of fish is that?
My spot is back in the crowd. Oh, this is in there.
So that's 4 sheephead. That's 4 sheephead.
I made a mess, Cody. I'm sorry. I apologize. We're out here to kill fish.
It will be cooked.
Seafood.
Well, because I was, I was
Hey.
Oh.
Good catching day, huh?
Yeah.
Zero yesterday?
Yeah, shit, I'm 0 yesterday.
You came out here yesterday?
No, in North Ireland. Yeah.
You got more once you Seaforth or yesterday? What's beat?
PPR.
Where's this one go? 35. 35? Yeah.
It's probably on my line because it's suddenly like it's heavy and then it get light.
Nawala tayo, nag-drink.
So pretty! So pretty! Kamayin mo! Kamayin mo! Sabihin mo sa uncle mo kamayin niya para hindi maputol yung ano mo, fishing pole. Yeah. Hold it on with your hand. Yeah.
There we go.
Whose fish is that though? That's it.
That's no bait. That was like fun.
Yeah, put it on low iron. No.
You getting so lucky up here, brother? Cut it out.
It's a nice bait. That's already there.
You got one again, man? That's a big one. What do you got?
That's for Cabizzo.
Is this gonna be gaffable?
No. No.
Sure.
Yeah, I'm just putting more bait.
First time driving the boat. Gotta let them hold it.
Top spot.
You know when divers dive down, they gotta come up slow so they don't get the bends and everything.
Yeah.
That's what we don't allow them. Let's go. All right.
White.
Yeah.
Whitey! Miss mo?
You are good to go. What's your number, Mike?
What's
your number, big dog? 1.
You're that early?
The big one.
big one! The big one! Easy. Take your time. I think it's because of this.
I think we need the gap.
We need the gap.
Yeah, harpoon this guy.
You wanna keep it?
After you probably look at it, what is this? Anybody?
Hey, how much you put on? Oh, I'm not getting any bite now.
Oh, right underneath there. You snagged it. It don't count.
Hey, I think they're on the other side now.
Thank you. Yep. We'll have to get some help with that. I think we need to realign again. I don't know. We'll have to get some opinion about that one.
Yeah, Nadia got two. And I got two. Why?
I ain't got shit.
Right, every now I catch them. Can you go? Snap some bait.
Ain't got shit. Are you going there? Get some bait. Huh? Where at?
Dude, our fridge is full of barracuda. Recorded it? Huh? Casio on like hey, I'll fish up from here every day. You know JR got one of my all-time best friends.
$80 now.
Don't make her feel bad.
Why?
33.
33. Widow. Huh? Widow. Widow. 35, right? Yeah. 35, 49, 41. And one sleeper. Take out this.
Like one at a time though.
You don't want like little fighting this twice.
No, one. Nice too.
So we have to like Dati, nasiro ako kay Mrs. man. Nung kasama ko si Mrs. Zero ako. Siya 2.
Anong hinuli nyo? Charter?
Dito kami sumakay eh. Hapon.
Ano yun? Para si Nora, mas magaling pa sila sa atin?
Eh, yung mga sinatawag na lucky. Sabi ko sa kanya, sige nga dito siya, samahan mo ako. Ay nako, doon ako sa kabila. Lagi. $33 and 35. Thank you. Salamat. Bili lang ang plastic.
Okay na to, may ano eh, may bag.
Ito dinadala ng sako?
Oh.
Kapaltan ko lang ng plastic.
Lalagyan lang ng plastic para hindi magkalat sa ano o sa kotse.
Yeah.
Magkano yung ano? Plastic. Ha? Mabantayan namin yung ano, gamit. Oh, because ours is not fillet.
Yeah, that's some big ones right there, bro. Picking them up quick. Have fun with fillet, bro. Thank you.
Yeah.
Take care. Alright, see you later. Next time, dadalhin yung ganyan kung ano. Mas mabilis yun kaysa dito sa ano. 45 and 52.
45 tsaka 52 missing.
Ilan ang boot mo?
Ha?
Ilan ang boot mo?
Ito ka din lang dati. Yeah.
45 and 52. 45 and 52. Here in a few minutes.
To. Mabigat-bigat yan sa'yo. Malalaki.
Marami kang ang bilang, pero hindi.
Minahula akong ganito, pinaeg ko yung hook niya, nilagay ko sa, di ba nakaganon lang?
Nakasabit lang.
Inayos ko, nilagay ko sa ilong, tapos binalik ko. Pagbalik malaki.
Thank you.
Bibenta ko sa inyo pod box.
$1 lang oh. Hindi puta, $2.99 eh.
Ito kailangan.
Para
Salay.
ikakabit